In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize image in Squoosh. If you've never used it before, Squoosh is a free browser-based tool that makes changing image dimensions fast and simple without installing anything. It runs locally in your browser, which is great for privacy and speed. First, open your web browser and go to the Squoosh website. You'll land on a clean page with a big area inviting you to add an image. This is the workspace where you'll load your file and make all your changes. Next, click on the Drop or Paste area. That click opens your computer's file picker so you can select an image. A quick tip before you continue. Consider working on a copy of your image. That way you always keep the original untouched, just in case you want to revert later. Now choose an image from your device. Squoosh supports common formats like JPG and PNG, and it will load the file into the editor. Depending on the size of your image, it might take a moment. You'll see a preview once it's ready, and you can move around to inspect detail as needed. With your image open, click on Resize in the right-hand panel. This enables Squoosh's resizing controls. You'll see fields for width and height, and usually a small chain or lock icon that maintains the aspect ratio. Keeping that lock on ensures your image doesn't look stretched or squished, which is especially important for photos and graphics with logos. Type the size you want into the width or height box. If the aspect ratio is locked, Squoosh will automatically adjust the other dimension to match. You can work in pixels for precise control, or switch to percentage if that's easier for your task. A practical guideline: avoid enlarging a small image to a much bigger size because it won't create extra detail and can look blurry. If you're preparing images for the web, think about the actual display size on your site or presentation and match those dimensions to keep file sizes efficient. As you adjust, watch the preview to make sure everything looks crisp and proportional. The editor makes it easy to confirm you've hit the exact size you need before saving. When you're satisfied, click on Download. Your browser will save the resized image to your computer. Pick a location you'll remember, and if you like, give the file a new name so it's easy to tell apart from the original. That's it. You've resized an image in Squoosh quickly and cleanly. Thanks for watching and happy editing.